Hello, this is Soraya from All Bling. Welcome to my channel. Remember to like and share. Tonight I'm going to be making a V-split tumbler, like a color by number. I'm going to be using this vinyl. It's Mexican flowers. Obviously every supply that we use except for the Mod Podge and the resin are from All Bling. I'm going to go ahead and cut my vinyl in a diagonal to make sure that I can create that V. Then once I cut it, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the top of my tumbler. I always like to leave it to where I have excess on the top so that I can cut it around the rim, and that way it's easier for me. So I'm cutting here around the rim, making sure that I'm really close to it. I'm using this little bottle from Amazon, and my colors, the purple is gonna be Selena, the red is Red Sleepers, the teal is Peacock Shimmer, the orange is Sunset, the green I use Jade, and for the pink I use Bong. Here I am with my little bottle. It has an extra fine tip. I'm applying Mod Podge to every single little space. I'm gonna do it by color, so I started first with the purple, which is the one that the cup had the most. And because it's so little of Mod Podge, and Mod Podge dries really quickly, I have to do it little by little. So I apply the Mod Podge and glitter, Mod Podge, glitter, so on and so forth. And you're gonna see that I do this for the whole entire cup, following the designs on the flowers. After the purple, I went ahead and did the red color, the same procedure. And then after the red, we did the orange areas. Again, all this time I'm following the same method. A little bit of Mod Podge, a little bit of glitter. Mod Podge, glitter, Mod Podge, glitter, so on and so forth. Then after that I went in with my green, and last one I did my teal. And I forgot to mention that I also did the pink. Once I have all my little details, I'm gonna go ahead on the bottom part and I'm gonna create my V. I'm using a painter's tape first to leave my, that's a good measurement, a good size. I apply my painter's tape, I'm applying Mod Podge, and then I'm gonna use Peacock Shimmer from the bottom part. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this glitter, and like I said, Mod Podge dries really quickly. That's why you're gonna see empty spaces, but I always do 2 coats. Okay, so once that it is done, I'm going to remove my painter's tape and I'm going to apply Mod Podge, and this time I'm using Selena, which is my purple, for that V design. Okay, and this is how it looks before applying the epoxy. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my first coat of epoxy. To this one I added some slate to give it just an extra shimmer to the epoxy. And once I apply my epoxy, before I did apply my epoxy, I forgot to mention that because there is so many colors and so little, I did seal it. I used Krylon clear spray paint. Then after it's dry, I went ahead with nails tape and I gave it some details. I'm using the silver one. This tape is super fine, so you want to make sure that you seal it before you apply your epoxy, otherwise it tends to lift under the epoxy. So I seal it with the quick coat from Counterculture, and I'm gonna just give it a detail as I see where it needs it. I created my V, so, and then I apply my last coat of epoxy. Thank you so much. Remember to like and share, please. And make sure to go to our page, loveallbling.com, for all your glitters and your vinyl supplies. Thank you so much.